Hello, my friends. How are you? My friends, today, last 24 hours, we aspire a practical make an hand wash. Hand wash. We read a hand wash recipe today. Just now, I have complete this trial. I had complete this trial. This is my hand wash. This is my hand wash. Very soft. Understand? This is my hand wash. This is my recipe. In a recipe of hand wash, we add water 75% and shampoo base SLES 11%, salt 0.5%, color only 5 gram. This is a recipe 2 kg. 2 kg. This is a trial number 4. Today is the 27th October 21. Water 75%, SLES 11%. In washing powder, we work on to broken the all bounds of shampoo base. All single bond must be broken. All double bond must be broken in water. All particles must be broken in water for to control separation. Understand? We work all the particles, bonds, single bonds, molecules must be broken in water. Water have a power. The water molecules deassociate all the chemicals. The water have a power to deassociate all the molecules of chemical. For this purpose, I mixed 12 hours water and shampoo base in this balti. Last night, water and shampoo base mix for about 12 or 14 hours. Today morning, today morning, after these base, today I add a cocobitin 3%, glycerin 5%, 0.5%, 0.15%, perfume 0.15%, KD 3%, and mix the after result. The result is out of water. It is not a heavy density like this. Understand? This is a trial basis. This is the fourth trial of my hand wash. So I again calculate the chemical quantity and add glycerin 20 gram, KD 60 gram instead 200 gram instead of 60. 200 gram means 10%. Understand? Not 3%, but 10%. Add extra 140 gram KD in this balti. Understand? PQ7 new atom 5%, 100 gram. Pearl locate 3%, 60 gram. Add and remix to adjust, to control, to build a very soft hand wash. Alhamdulillah, I have complete this target. This is my hand wash, very high quality, glycerin added, extra quantity, PQ7 and KD also extra aid for control and gain very softness in this hand wash. This is my recipe. In liquid compounds, we work to separate chemical in water. In washing powder, we separate if hydrogen if hydrogen share their electron to carbon, we work to separate hydrogen. If carbon share hydrogen in four angles to complete shell, we work to separate to deassociate carbon. We work to deassociate oxygen shell, oxygen electron, sodium electron by water. Water have a power to deassociate all the chemicals. Understand? In washing powder, we share each other, and in a hand wash, we broken all the chemicals, all their bonds and all their molecules. This is my hand wash. Please get the screenshot. This is my hand wash. Today is 27th October 2021. This is the fourth trial. This is my hand wash. Understand? Now I am free. Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye.